All right, guys. So I was today years old when I figured out this little trick. Like many of you, we probably are using Google Forms in our classroom for student feedback, student voice and choice. Um, but my students are getting a little bit smarter than the form itself, and that they are now inputting spaces in questions that are required, and knowing that it will let them move forward. So here's a way to get around that. So you're going to create your question. In this case, we're just going to create the default first name question here. And then you're going to come to the little three dots. You're going to click on that and then response validation. And then you're going to this little drop down menu, and we're going to work with the length. And we're going to change that to the minimum character length. And I always put 3 here because while they're smart enough to space once or twice, a lot of times they don't get past 3. So I put it to 3, and then the feedback I provide is just invalid response, which is what they will see on their end. And you are good to go. So now when you come back to your form, you will see here is my form. I'm going to refresh it just to make sure that that went through. And now if I hit the space